Assalamu alaikum. Now in this video I come with a very good option of Python. I developed a software by the use of Python. In this software I will record a video from my camera. Okay. So this is the my software screen which I developed in the Python. This is the duration of my video. Let's suppose I enter the duration for 2 seconds. Okay. It's the location of file where I want to save my video. Let's click on this button and let's select this folder. Okay. Now just start the recording. So it will create this folder automatically and it will create a date wise folder. Okay. And it will save the file, each file, closing each file after 2 seconds. We can also increase this setting. Let's stop this recording. I want to create a file for the 20 second. Okay, just start recording again. So it will create the file, new file after 20 seconds. Okay, and this file also show on the list box. Okay, so I developed this software by the use of Python. Okay, in a very simple code. Okay, that I show you the codes. These are the codes I use in this software to develop this program. Okay, so in the next video, I will teach you about this coding. Okay, so please stay with me. So please stay with me, and I will show you how you can use this code in your program, and you can utilize this code in your programming to develop more software for Python. Okay, so thanks for watching.